Looking for the sports channel, Gary.
Alrighty, welcome back to Weenie Trades. Today was the funnest trading day ever for me, and probably for a lot of people in the Weenie Trades live stream. It was a super fun day. Everything we touched turned to gold. I mean, we were in really good sync with the market, in tune with each candle, reading the tape, just watching the breakouts happen, the strength of the buyers and the sellers. So it was a really good day. Almost $1,000 green day, about a little bit over 700 in the Thinkorswim account, and a little bit not break even in the Robinhood, and then a little bit more in the Webull, at least about 200 to 300. And so it was a really good day. So in this video, we're going to be talking about dip buys, what to look for when you're dip buying, how to dip buy, what levels to dip buy at. We're going to be talking about scalp trades, how they're a little bit different from core day trades and for certainly swing trades. We're going to talk about breakouts, how to find a good breakout that's going to have explosive follow through. We're going to be talking about daily breakouts on how those are golden. They're great for swing trades. There's an FSLY trade that we're going to talk about in a bit on how FSLY is breaking out on the daily chart. And so those are really important to watch out for, and so much more in this video. So be sure to stay tuned. Our first trade of the day was on Plug Power, and I was looking at the daily chart of Plug, and I was saying this is looking really good for continuation to the upside. They had good news the days prior, and then we're showing a hammer candle, and we're approaching the old all-time highs right at about 29.50 on Plug. And so Plug, I was looking to go long. I said it pre-market, and it's my favorite stock. And so Plug, really nice move right off the opening. In the opening, we had the nice move up, then a small pullback. And then right over this breakout area, I went ahead and went long Plug Power right at about 28.73. I even added over 29. So I've got two good contracts. What I really need to do better is size up a little bit more. So I'm long. I want the stock to go up. Stock pushes up super nicely right into 30. I just take that liquidity zone to sell one contract, and I just put in a tight break even stop because I was only risking 20 cents, about 20, 30, 40 cents. And so I'm risking off the low of the day. So I'm already deep in the money, getting over $1 in the money. So I went ahead and took my profits on the second contract right there, and then reloaded with some shares that we are swing trading. So Plug looking really good. Average cost at about that 30 level. And Plug was a nice good revenue trade to start the day of $133 right over here. So we also did a dip buy trade on Plug. So we weren't done with Plug. If a stock is making you money that day, it means that you might make some more money off of it later, especially if you're doing it correctly. And if you don't do it correctly, just size down your risk. Just, practice that. But I was noticing this wedge pattern, this falling wedge. So this is where I'm looking for dip buys, falling wedges, near kind of a healthy retracement from the highs. It's near this support around this 29.60 level. So I went ahead and went long Plug yet again for a dip buy trade, this time just with one contract, super small risk, 29.64, stop beneath this little area right here, 29.40, super tight stop of 20 cents, and boom, I get 40 cents right up to $30 a share. That's where I took my profits. So that was a nice good little dip trade for plus $15. We had a lot of really good trades on FSLY today. Fastly, I was watching it on the daily chart. I was saying you could go long over 100. So I'm anticipating that 100 is going to break because look, we had this nice good controlled sell off. This is kind of our supply zone area. Notice the upper wicks. Sellers are constantly selling at or near 100. So eventually, the more times you attack that supply zone, the more likely it is to break out. And so on FSLY, I'm scalping this, but also I built up a swing trade. So if we look at the swing trade, we legged into a swing trade on FSLY, buying the 99, selling the 104, buying the 100, selling the 101 for nearly the same cost. So we removed all the risk. So tons of great trades and fun trades on FSLY, but we saw this little bull flag over here, and I was like, hey, FSLY looks really good. It just made a lower low on the day with no follow through. So here's your low, and then there's your lower low than the prior low, but it didn't dump. And then it reclaimed it, put in a bull flag, and I went ahead and went long FSLY just about here over 96.30. Boom, we get this nice good push up, and then we start to show a tail candle. I take it off right at that supply zone. Then look, we formed this another little bull flag right here. I went ahead and got long yet again on FSLY right about there. And then I peeled off my profits right at about 99. And so just scalping my way through it. Just buy the breaks, stop beneath the low of the consolidation, and then peel off the profits. Then boom, we get this nice, good triangle pattern. It went that which we broke bullish yet again, right there. And look, just stayed above, stayed within the supply zone for quite a while, which shows hourly bull flag. So I'm looking at the hourly time frame. Hourly bull flag, I'm like, FSLY looks pretty good. And FSLY just broke out, did the deal, super extended push. I went ahead and took my profits right at about 101.50, and we're still swing trading FSLY. Really good trade, super happy with it. And nice good revenue trade on the day trading side of things of plus $36. And also on the swing trading, we're open P&L of about $92, but we also got another good day trade on that. So super fun trades on FSLY, trading in the Webull, just constantly scalping in, scalping out, just perfect rhythm, perfect entries. You know, it doesn't usually work this well every day. Another trade we took today was on Microsoft, and it was actually a dip buy trade. And so it was right about here. I saw this little supply zone right here. This was an important level because look, it was a big breakdown candle. Microsoft looked like it was about to break out and then didn't. So that tells me that little candle is pretty important. And look, Microsoft broke out. I didn't want to catch it on the breakout because it's a little bit extended. The area to catch it was right at that bull flag. Do you see how the candles are consolidating really nicely? Boom, nice good pop. And then a back test of the demand zone. So we went ahead and went long on Microsoft, literally at the low of this wick. 219.21 was our fill. And then boom, we got this nice good push up. And I see one little red candle. I'm like, okay, that could probably be lower high. So then we took our profits right there. Nice little scalp trade. Caught live on Weenie Trades. I was just doing a demonstration. It was during the lunch hour, but nice little $13 scalp using about $70, $80 of buying power. So that was Microsoft. We are still swinging Microsoft, just as FSLY and plug in small size. The game plan from this Sunday to go long over $95 a share. Well, the first time around, it twitched me in and I got long and had to take a quick stop out of minus $25. But then I reloaded those same contracts once Sony started to break out over 95 again. The second time around is a lot more fun. So we went ahead and went long for a swing trade on Sony, targeting about the 97, 98, 99, 100 area, this little zone up here. And today we just went ahead and just took our profits on Sony. We closed one when the premium was high right in the morning. You don't know if you're going to get a fast morning flush. Sony's pretty low volume. But then look, we nailed the high of the day right here at about 97.88 with Sony. And Sony, that was about $200 into $450. Sony, really good trade, good revenue trade of $220. Really contributed to the fun green day. And so Beyond also did the deal. So if we remember Beyond, every morning I pretty much posted over 140 each day, over 140. It keeps giving you a good trade, you know, 0.5%, 2%, 3% just from buying over 140 each time in the morning. But we are still swinging that, and that was really a good revenue trade. And so moving forward, that's what I'm in. That's what I took profits on. But moving forward, let's keep an eye out for Target. Target, I wonder if it's setting out a bottoming pattern. I really want to go long on this name and get some heavy size into it, especially over 173, over 175. But otherwise, no dice. Dip buy on Target 166/167.50 zone. But we are still swinging Tesla at TSLA, and if we in the middle of Weenie Trades Live, we were talking about Tesla's likely to break out. Tesla's looking bullish. Tesla's ready to break out, and boom, just uptrend all day. And then look, nice flat top resistance. When I saw this extended dip, I was like, oh, I wonder how many people got shaken out. And we moved up, put in a bull flag, and then we popped that bull flag, held a higher low pivot. I went ahead and went long on Tesla through a call debit spread, just buying. Here's our call debit spread. We're buying the 675 strike call expiring next week, and then we're selling the 680. Just looking to flip some premium. It's currently up about $50, $50. So max profit of about $300, $350, max cost of $200 on Tesla. So we're just looking for Tesla to break out to all-time highs. And if not, we'll just manage our risk, but we'll see how the rebalancing continues tomorrow. It'll be super exciting. We're also swimming Microsoft and Amazon. Those are all fun stocks. Too many stocks to trade. So many stocks to trade. Super fun time. A lot of weenies made a lot of money today. They're putting away thousands of dollars in the bank. So stop on by and see what's up with us. Ask us a few questions if you like. We're having a lot of fun. And this is a blast. Alrighty. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.